did. I turned 50 in June and had a couple of surprise parties, and it was great turning 50. On Friday the 13th of April in 2012, I was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's follicular lymphoma. And I have been seeing people here at the Med Center ever since. And they have saved my life 4 times, and this is number 5. The world's best doctor for this is right here in Omaha, and I will get you in to see him. And that was James Armitage. My cancer, for some reason, likes my body, and a treatment will work, I'll be in remission, and then it finds its way back. Dr. Lenning said it's time for the CAR T. Hopefully will be the final thing that kicks this stuff out for good. And he said at the first in February, I think that if you would tell me that you would recuperate better at home than you would in the hospital, I think you'd be the perfect patient to be the first outpatient CAR T patient.
Cool. All right, start time now.
I happen to have his cell phone number because that's the kind of doctor he is. If you need him, you can text him. And if you think that we can do this, we're behind it 100%, go for it. And he just sent back a smiley face. As long as I don't get a fever, and as long as I don't lose my mind, then I get to stay at home. I have to come in every day and get blood work done and be seen by the bone marrow transplant team. Being able to sleep in a nice comfortable bed and be able to just be yourself in your own space, I just think it has to help recovery. I have been blessed with a huge family support. Tom is my hero, my rock. We will have been married for 40 years in October. I had a basketball player last year that wore green shoes for me for this season. He still checks in on me. I have teams that wear my wristbands. The swim team wore green swim caps for me. I get a high off of all the people that are, they're just there. Everybody just wants to be helpful. Down in the fast track lab, the phlebotomists, they're as nice as they can be. They're friendly, and everybody's happy to be here because they're making us well. You get extraordinary care, and if there's something that you don't like, you ask and they either switch it or they find somebody different for you, or everybody you meet is just, they're wonderful. They're kind, they're helpful, they're smart, and they know what they're doing. They make it all not fun, but as fun as can be. Look at us. Today we've had a little party in our room. You got to be comfortable with your people, and you've got to trust your team. And it's so easy to trust the people at Nebraska Med. I drive 20 minutes to see people. To the best place I don't care what kind of cancer you have, the best place is right here at Nebraska Med. I can even give directions around here from time to time. I had a poor little lady that was lost, and I showed her how to find her car. But when you've been here this long, you know where and how to get around.
That's true.